Makiria ma atumia 800 nio moka gwetha motungata ma urigitani thibitari-ini wa Kigumo hindi iria mohanda no gwakinya hindi ya kuheo ciana namba eno ikanyiha nginya 25 mweri. Kunyiha kwa namba eno gugicungiririo ni motungata matari makinyaniru ma maternity. Atumia aya magitindikiririo kuoha thabari ndaya gwetha mathibitari mangi mangihero ciana ona thengia wa thibitari uyu gukorwo ri wa gikiro kia level 4.
Aingi aria mokaga maticoka guka kuherwo ciana guku, mokaga marikia kurorwo makerwo mwana ni mwega, mwiri ni mwega, thie wike o wike exercise. Thutha wa hau mundu agacoka koya barabara agathi kuherwo mwana Thika, kana agathi kuherwo mwana Ruiru, kana guthi kundu kuria kungi kana Kiambu, tondu guku thibitari ti njega na maternity ti njega.
This facility here currently receives up to 200 deliveries, which is a lot, every month, yet it can only accommodate 12 at a time. So for us, this has always left, of course, the congestion, and that is why when we were given this proposal, we felt, let us try and improve that process and give access to better healthcare.
As a mother and as a wife, I know the issues or complications of stress that can come with prolonged labor and having to drive as far as Gatundu because you don't have the proper facilities here.
Odoyo niguo guciririe thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu unyitaniriine na MPESA Foundation iria iri rungu rwa kambuni ya SAFARICOM kwambiriria waki wa maternity thibitari-ini uyu magitanya kugathika itanda 40 odo umwe na motungata mangi maria atumia mamukagira makiheo ciana mubango uria utanyitwo kuhuthira mamirioni ma mbeca.
This project was started, we birthed it in 2021. I came here with your MCA Wanyoto and we toured the hospital and we saw the need for maternity theatre. What was happening is that the women who would come here expectant but with complications would be sent to faraway hospitals like...
The 47 million shillings that the foundation is investing for the construction and equipping of this new maternity and newborn unit in this hospital, I hope and we hope on completion will give better healthcare, will provide mothers and children greater access to what is a natural and something that we all desire as human beings.
Kurigana na gavana wa Matangi, waki wa maternity no thibitari-ini uyu ni ukuguna ikari ya Kiambu na njira nene na kunyihia murigo muritu na thabari ndaya iria ikoretwo kihonia atumia magithi kuheo ciana, kuona atumia aingi mathiaga gwetha motungata maya thibitari-ini ta Thika, Gatundu hamwe na Kiambu na oho kugacirithia motungata ma uheani wa ciana thibitari-ini uyu wa Kigumo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wairima wa Muthui.